Hi everybody, David Kino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Monday, February 2nd. So the market this morning made a decision to have a bullish breakout on the hourly chart. So you can see this is where we started. We actually opened down about 15 points in the S&P 500 index, SPX, cash settled index security. It quickly moved back to the previous close, and then the rest of the morning we spent moving higher, breaking above the high from Friday, the high from and approaching the high from Thursday. You can see that is 69.92. We are just about at the all-time high, just above 7,002 and 28 cents. Okay, so I'm watching this market. I think there's a potential pullback play that may happen this afternoon, but could easily be wrong. And next thing you know, this is a bull flag on our way back up to 7,000. I think the fact that the market pretty much is engulfing the bar from Friday and pushing into new highs, I think it's a very strong possibility that within either today, tomorrow, or even Wednesday, we are pushing new highs to the upside. Now, I will warn you that Alphabet has earnings after the bell on Wednesday, and Amazon has earnings after the bell on Thursday. But barring any really very bad news from either of those two, I think the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ have a good opportunity to push higher, and that means new all-time highs for SPX. Thanks.